Good day. How are you? How are we? How am I? Who am I? What am I? Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, hang on. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, okay. Anyway, we shall be playing more Kerbal Space Program. Right now, we do need to sort the power situation out on that station. But I don't actually have the huge solar panels, which are all the way down here. And to get those, we need 250, like 550 science, which is totally doable. There are some places we haven't landed on the moon, which I'm sure I can get to. And also point out that we have to set up a base there. Okay, so we want to load this. I think we have an extra science instrument. I have no idea if this can actually. Scan gamma rays. Oh, there's a science experiment. We've actually got 2. Well, 3. I don't think this thing will actually work in on the moon, because there's not really anything there. We also got magnetometers. Can that do? Yeah, that can also do a. Right, we can add more science experiments into this. Get one of those. Get one of these. And get one of these. I'm sure that won't cause the center of mass to shift anywhere. Anyway. Jeb and... doesn't really matter. One of the scientists, send them in. Scientists are only really needed for labs though, but whatever. Let's just... there we go. Let's go. This should give almost 550 science at least. Just do one quick landing to get the science to make a big old solar array, and then we're going to launch that at the station. Ah yes, Kerbal noises. Beep. Away! We're still going, okay. Anyway, up we go. Nice and quick. Good old launching. We know how to do this by now. Go up to about 10 to 15 kilometers, turn, orbit, go to the moon. Nice and simple at this point. At least getting to the moon is very simple. Imagine getting to one of the other planets is going to take a little bit more, but I'll figure that out when the time comes. Goodbye, boosters. You have served us well. Calm down in there. Quick turn a little bit harder. Or a little bit further. There we go. Nice and quick. So you get lots of science from this one. Alright, so one above like 40. Oh, no, it's changed. Or am I looking at the wrong one? I was looking at the wrong one. 33 seconds then. Can't actually see the writing. Hang on. There we go. Onward to the moon once again. Oh, my ship is swaying about a little. It's not going to matter now, because we lost the boosters. But it was having a bit of a sway there. Right, good enough. Where's that moon? There's that moon. We have to go all the way around Kerbal, but that's fine. That's not quite. There we go. Oh no, that's actually not correct at all. That's better. I think I've still got the overlay on. Hang on. I can't turn it off here. Hang on. I'll fix that when we get there. Nope, can't turn it off. Alright, hang on. Hang on. I can switch to the satellite and then just turn it off, I think. Quite an orbit that we're getting into there. Keep the burn going. That'll do. Right, onwards. Right, hang on. Can't switch. We're not under acceleration. There we go. Right, now let me just quickly turn that overlay off. The moon's got a bit of purple. It's disappeared. For fuck's sake. Okay, well I guess it's off now. Yeah, we're good. Was that the magnetometer sticking out of the cargo bay? Oh well. We'll just pretend that I didn't see that. Okay, turn it around. One last landing just to get the science we need. And there's probably going to need to be more, but oh well. We can just land a science lab there instead. That'll work. I'm probably gonna get there, and then we're gonna start making a base, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I could use this on the base, and then I'm gonna be like, oh, but I need more science for that, and we're gonna have to land somewhere else. I already know that that's gonna happen. Two. And fire the engine. Slow her down. Alright, where haven't we landed? We have not landed in that crater yet. So, it will be that crater. Further. There we go. Each crater gives more science, so just land in each one of them. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, engine. Right, down we go. Thankfully the station is right overhead so we can maintain connection. Oh, but I kinda need to turn this thing around so that we actually land in the crater. Still don't know why the sun isn't being very shiny. But okay, well, I've slowed down quite enough. And I think we just lost connection, but oh well. The Kerbals can keep the ship going. Deploy the landing gear. And the solar panels, because why not? Okay, down we go. Just let gravity do the work. Land on the moon, get the last science that we're going to need, build the solar array, send it to the space station, and then we can actually start setting up the moon base properly. I'm still quite far above the surface. I think. I'm gonna just wait for the booster to explode and then I'll know how high we are. And... oh no, it's still quite far. Okay. Still like a kilometre and a half over the surface at least. There's my shadow. Coming down. I don't know where the other bit of that, of the rocket that got us here went, but oh well. Definitely saw it bouncing away, but I never heard it actually hit the ground. Okay, gently bring it down. Gently bring her down. How much science will all of this be worth? Hopefully, a lot. Anyway, here we are again. Hello once again, Moon. Let's get you two out. No EU4 today, not today. Unwritten rule, don't play well, unwritten rule for me, don't play the same game 2 times 2 days in a row, basically. Unless I really want to. Yeah, let's get them both out. Oh, he fell off. Science. Did I take the surface sample? I don't know if I did, but anyway, plant the flag. We needed just a bit more science. I heard something explode. What was that? The hell just blew up. I heard it. It wasn't the lander. Well now. Hang on. There we go. Oh. Camera. There we go. Right, well, back in, I guess. We have the science we needed. We can do the research we need. probably just the US nuking the moon. That's impressive, considering that this is a completely different star system. Yeah, I must have already done one. Alright, time for science. It can't be done right now, and I have no idea why. Okay. There, that's the one I wanted. We're gonna have to do another visit, aren't we? Thermometer. Analyze magnetosphere. Can't be done right now. That's helpful. Maybe we need to be in orbit, I don't know. Let's find out. Right, back up we go. Oh, a little bit much. Quickly time warp, because, I mean, at this point, I kind of... at this point, we kind of know exactly how this is going to work. So just quickly get it out of the way so I can get back to building the station. Right, let me have a check, see if we can do the thing now. Yeah, you can do it in space. Lovely. What about the other thing? Excellent. Put that away. Close the thing. Figure out where Kerbal is. It's over there, so we want to burn like here-ish. Right, back we go. Stop. Just... That's not enough. That's still not enough. A little bit more. That's enough. Right, fling the craft around. Fast forward time to get to the node and fire the engines. Oh, there's another flag that we left. There were just flags dotted around the moon at this point. Please tell me this was enough science. It's going to be annoying if I have to do one more mission. Six, now. Okay, back we go. Hello, Kerbal. I could probably save the engines again as well, couldn't I? By using what fuel we have left to slow us down. Hang on. Turn it around. The solar panels are probably going to explode off, but oh well. As are the landing legs, but again, oh well. Actually, the solar panels might just about be protected by the 2 engines. Terrible news. Oh no. Is it that we're going to explode? You got the Chinese plague. Well, shit. Still, from what I've read, the symptoms aren't, like, too bad, mostly. It's only if you have, like, other medical conditions you have an issue. Oh, the solar panel broke. Yeah, I was expecting that, wasn't I? Anyway, slow us down, atmosphere. Funny how it's the year of the rat for the Chinese, and then they get this slight problem with a disease. Anyway, parachutes away. Down we go. Into the ocean again. And hopefully I have science this time. Hopefully we have enough science just to build the last bit of this station. Also, are you sure it's just not the flu? Because calm down in there. Because from what I've read, the Chinese, like, the coronavirus is just like, hey, it just sounds like every symptom that the flu has. Pretty much. Other than, you know, the pneumonia part. That part sucks. That was a big splash. Recover the vessel. Give me science. Is it enough? We needed, what was it, 500 and something? Fingers crossed, please. I can probably get a little more from Kerbal surface. Probably stick the atmospheric reader thing on the side of something and then just put it on the launch pad, scan, all done. 611 science, okay, more than enough. Let's see. Okay, need this, need all of these, and high power electrics. I don't know what some of these even do, but I guess we'll find out. There, now we can build, now I can build the solar array to just stick on the side of the station. Right, so first of all, we need something like this, and then we just need to pull that bit off and then add something else. Okay, so not that. Where are those tubes? That's a storage module. I wonder if I can just put a load of batteries in there. Big boy batteries. Oh, wait, no, that doesn't look right. Right, these batteries. You know, that might be a little excessive, actually. Hang on. I know what I want. Where is it, though? Okay, we'll put the solar panels on later. I'm trying to find the thing. Can't remember where it is. Structural? Was that it? Yes, it was. Okay. Alright, so the docking port is not there anymore. Hang on. Coupling. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Okay, couple of them. Maybe with a cargo bay in the middle just to add a few more science experiments. That's a container. Wrong one. Where is it? Yeah, service bay with some batteries and experiments, that would work. I'm not a smart person. Where's the Mars base? We haven't even gotten anything to this game's equivalent of Mars. There we go. And then we want science, and then one of these. And one of those. Okay. I hope I can actually put something on the side of this. Hang on. Okay, good. Close that. Put that. And then... I have a feeling that this is not going to end well, but, you know, stuff happens. Let's make sure that's lined up. That is not lined up. Okay. And then coupling. Alright, so we want to grab, not that one, this. And try and connect it to the bit in the middle, basically. That has not gone well. That's going to be very wobbly if I try to take it off like that, but it could be interesting. Also, before we do, let me make sure the center, where the center of mass is. Alright. Brilliant. Got our big boy engines. We've got the RCS. We have power. We have solar panels. We're going to hope it just doesn't shake. Solar power. Nope. Oh. Okay. Oh, this produces heat. That might be what those radiators are for. Oh wow, those are big. Probably don't need them just yet. At least not very much. Probably. Probably. I could just put them on the sides here. That might actually look kind of nice. Just radiate that heat off into space. There. Okay, now let's just cross our fingers and hope that this doesn't wobble about too much. Which, considering the shape of it, it probably is going to. If not, I'll have to figure something out to hold it steady and together in takeoff, but I do have an idea if this doesn't work. This just... oh, whatever, it'll be fine. Oh, this takes off a lot faster, but yeah, it's fine. Perfectly stable. As I was saying, perfectly stable. Like, you can't, like, this thing is incredibly stable. Just look how stable it is. It's bloody brilliant how stable this thing is. Okay. Alright, that's, what are you talking about? This thing is perfectly stable. I think I know what's missing, though. Where is it? Some of these. One of those. That should help a little. Death Trap 13. At least nobody's on this, as it took off. Still got one of these, just sitting on my desk. I'll have that a bit later. Alright, let's try this again. Maybe it was going a little bit too fast. Why does it... Sorry. Alright, hang on. Why is it going crazy? What is causing that? Is something causing huge aerodynamic drag? How bad could this possibly be? That's not going to help, is it? Okay, well, I've got an idea. I have no idea if this is what's doing it, but let's find out. It might at least hold it stable. Just please let me get this thing up there. If this doesn't work, I'll maybe change the design a little bit. Nope. Yeah, I have no idea why it keeps doing that. Oh, nope, 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 we're spinning again. Is there something I can figure out? Wait, hang on. We're going up again. Oh, no, we're not. We're tipping again. If I can just lose these boosters. Yeah, there's definitely something up with this. Hang on. Let's change the design. Because this thing clearly isn't going up. I just want to make sure I haven't fucked with the fuel. Needs wings. More wings. Make sure the fuel is still going in the right place. Yeah, it does look like it is. Where is it? Aerodynamics. We don't really have many options here, do we? Let's get more of these on there. Maybe that will help. Keep it stable. Or just make it heavier, who knows. Again, okay, this is the last thing I'm going to try. If it doesn't work, I'm going to change the design to something a bit more aerodynamic. Maybe the radiators are causing a lot of drag, I don't know. Maybe if I just get rid of them, it'll work. Look at this thing, it's just getting more ridiculous every time. Anyway, up. Up, 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 up. Right, are we going to spin out of control again? The second I decoupled. The very second I decoupled. Come on. Wait, I think we've got control back. It's going up. Oh, no, no, we're going the other way now. Okay. Alright, fine. I'll redo the design game. I don't know why it just spins out of control. I can't figure it out. Yeah, center of mass is in the right place. Alright. Alright, one last thing to try. See if these are causing too much drag. Or causing any drag at all. The station needs power, damn it. Just let me give it to it. little bit wobbly again. Okay, so if I decouple, is it going to immediately spin out of control? No. Not entirely. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Alright, fine. 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 I'll do this the other way. First of all, by getting rid of those. And then we'll remove these. Remove these. And we'll just do it the boring way, because the game apparently really doesn't want me to do it any other way. Oh. There. That isn't gonna clip the side, is it, though? It should be okay. Alright, let's try this once again. Let's see if it just spins out of control this time. I swear to God if it does, I'm gonna be annoyed. Okay. Fire the engines. You all better be crossing your fingers right now. I'm not going to touch anything for a moment. Okay, we've gotten further than we have before. We're actually going very fast as well, so okay, okay, yep. Hang on, give it a moment. Give it a moment. Give it a moment just to flip back around. There, okay, we're good. We're good, we're good. We just had to do one little tumble. It just had to get it out of its system that time. See, we're fine. Everything is fine. Let's just point it in the direction that it needs to go. Fire the engines. And all will be good. Okay, T minus 26. 3, 29, 28, 27, fire. We're in space now. We no longer have to worry about spinning out of control due to aerodynamic drag. Which I'm guessing is what was causing most of that. Okay. This has gone well this time. We're a little bit off, but I can possibly fix that. Oh, no, hang on. Let me try going the other way. No, this way. That will do. Oh, look at that sunrise. That's very pretty. Alright. Alright, blue. Come on, point in the correct direction. You made something? Oh, I'm interested. Deploy solar panels. All of them. It's in Discord. Pretty good. Okay. I just want to get this bit of station attached. This is how I imagine you... Well, yes, I am a ball. I thought I had established this at one point. That's adjustable. Let me just get the there's the face cam. Kappa. Anyway. Professional idiot. I didn't. Yes, because that's only half right. I am not a professional. Anyway, 15.5, let's go. An amateur idiot. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there. Okay. Ah, perfect. Right, to the station. It's finally going to get power after all this time. Oh, well, great. Kerbal has eclipsed the moon. Oh no, we're good. What the fuck is... I think that might just be The orbit line. Oh, I unset target. Hang on. No, we want... Stop fucking with me here, game. I want something like that, I think. Closest approach 3.8 or 13.8? 3.8. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's just turn this in the right direction then. Warp to the node. This thing is going to go flying off into who knows bloody where. It's going to go flying out of Kerbal in orbit. But oh well. It has served us well. Okay, T minus 14 a bit. There we go. Right, bring that in. And then we'll meet up with the station. I say that's pretty bloody well done. Alright. Oh yeah, target. Nope, target. There we go. Wait till we get close. A little bit closer. Boom. I'm just expecting an explosion. It's not that close together. Don't worry. There's like 2.5 kilometers in between them. Alright, zero out the speed. This is how you do orbital rendezvous. It's a little dance in orbit. Okay, and now we point at the target, which I think is this one. Let me just make sure. Yep, there it is. And then fires the engine. Separation 200 meters. Okay. So anyway, yes. Let's point this way. There we go. Warp to there. Oh, the station's loading in. When the game freezes, that's the station loading in. Okay. Has to load in the physics. There she is. Let's just head in that general direction. I want to start an EU4 campaign as Brandenburg. I at some point made friends of Poland, and right after they just fucking warned me. Well, okay. Alright, hang on. It's chase. No, it's locked, isn't it? Yeah, locked. Alright, so we want RCS. And then we want to slow this fucker down. I'm on the wrong side anyway, hang on. It wasn't bad enough. The game then ended when Saxony, I declared war Bohemia. It's like, don't worry, Brandenburg, we got this. Instant regret about 5 seconds later. Okay, now we need to turn this thing around and sideways. Oh, crap. Hang on. Okay, it likes to rotate quite quickly. Okay, are we good? Nope, hang on. Turn right a bit. Okay. Right, and now RCS. Okay, are we good on that front? Just you what? Just you wait, yes, but no, we'll be fine. Also, it can't be a nuclear explosion, there's no nuclear power here. Hang on, you know what might help if I set that as the target? Somehow. Somehow it's going to be a nuke. Also, before we dock, let's just retract these just in case. Quickly, retract them all. Okay. Right, now we gently bring her in. I think we're all lined up. Just about. Maybe right just a bit more. Soon, Kerbals, you will have power! Oh, up a bit. Excellent. Bloody marvellous. Okay, these are no longer going to be needed. Activate solar panels. All of them. Okay, are we getting power now? Yes, we're getting a bloody good amount of it. Right, now one thing that we can also do. No, this. Yes. Hang on. That, and then this, and then... not all of it, but some of the fuel. In fact, I might be able to use all of it and just now just leave some behind just so I can deorbit this quickly. A little bit more. Okay. And then... This thing must be deorbited. It has served its purpose. Farewell, probe. You did well. There we go. I think the station is, well, finished. Kind of. Maybe there will be some more stuff added to it, but it's pretty much finished. Welcome to Death Trap 13. It's a death trap. It's quite a literal death trap before we had power. Oh, but one thing I can do quickly. Fuck. Okay, maybe not. What about this one? Yes. Process in the science lab. It looks straight out of an 80s sci-fi movie. How lovely. Okay, we are using electric charge just because the solar panels are not exactly aligned to the sun right now. But that's okay, it's all okay. Well, I can transmit some of the science. Uploading data. There's quite a lot of data. Oh, now we get the funky sound when you transfer data with this mod on. I don't know why, I just had to be quiet for that. Alright, well now we have the station with fuel, not a huge amount, but it does have fuel in it. Now we can bring up the ship that will basically lift stuff up and down. Well, probably just down. That's the next plan. To the Space Center. And I think I already have that saved. It's just a matter of getting it over there. It's okay, we're literally about to start work on a base on the moon. I'm even going to see if there are any missions that want us to put a base on the moon. Okay, we can plant the flag. They want us to build another orbital station around the moon, for some reason. It wants us to build a surface outpost on Eve, which is madness. To do right now, at least. Rescue Gradorf from the orbit of the moon. I could actually probably do that, depending on where the orbit is, but anyway, plant flag on the moon. Yes, we can do that. Got science data from Minmus. It wants us to build a station around Kerbin as well, but base on the moon. Moon base. Let's not lose sight of the goal here, shall we? Alright, so let's load up the vessel that I designed last time. Not this. Where is it? Moony. I like that. That's pretty good. Maybe I didn't build it. Maybe I didn't save it, that's the thing. Yeah, I probably didn't save it. Okay, well, we have to build the thing. Okay, so we need a command pod. Probably not that one. I think this one would be better. It needs control. Come on, control. It needs fuel. Not hydrogen. Oh, that's a bit too big. This needs to be doing some lifting, doesn't it? This is the Bavarian Space Force. Okay. Coupling. Yeah, that works. Huh. Think about using those later. Oh, we also need RCS, but hang on. Maybe not quite that big. Maybe 2 of them as well. Right, and 2 more big fuel tanks. Engines. Need an efficient but simultaneously quite powerful engine. Like, how much delta V would 2 of these offer? For example, 2543. Right, 2767. How about we scale it down even further? 3096 meters per second delta V. That isn't actually too bad. And if I get 2 of them. So like this thing here, it will grab a piece of moon base, take it down to the moon, drop it off, and then fly back into orbit. That's basically the idea. It's just a space tug of sorts. And I think it's just about got enough delta V for that to work quite well. This thing is staying up in space as well, just to, you know, be clear. So it might actually need some power. Probably not too much though. Could probably get away with just putting some of these on. Just put a couple of them on each side. We have 3000. We also are going to need RCS thrusters, aren't we? It's center of mass. Like top, bottom. There we go. That should let it dock with anything that we send up there. Well, it's gone down to 2,909 meters per second with delta V. I squeeze more fuel tanks on here. I think there were some radial ones that we had. Yeah, there are. Like, if I were to put a couple of these just on. Yeah. More fuel. That works. Here we go. Here's our space tug. Going to call that. Got any ideas for a name for a space tug? Put that there for now. Tug the slug. That sounds more like a description, but I'll put it in. There you go. Alright, now we need the launcher. Oh, I realised a minor problem. Can't use that. I can, I think, use this though. Yeah, that's fine. And that's got plenty enough fuel to get it to the moon. Oh, plenty enough delta V. Well, the thruster rate, weight, 1.26 should be okay. And then 1.19, 1.05, 0.68. That looks absolutely ridiculous. Does that look okay though? What I'm going for is, does that look okay? It's just getting it up to space is always going to look ridiculous just because it's really hard to get things up to space. It doesn't look as bad as it could. One thing that also might actually be of handiness. Oh, just one. Okay, maybe not that one. No, not 6. Hang on. It needs some kind of communication. And because this is kind of heavy, I could just strap the big engines on there. If I can find them. I think it's the main sails. I'm being an idiot, hang on. There we go. Got there eventually. And now the staging's all fecked. Yeah, that'll do. Space tug. Alright. To the moon. To the station. I'll leave it with the station for now. Or should I just launch us into orbit? Is that enough? How much delta V does it take to actually get to the moon from orbit? And then slow down. Because if not, we're just going to be sending stuff there. And then just leaving it in orbit for the space tug to go grab and then take down to the surface. Oh god, I saw it bouncing. I kind of want to see how the physics is going to handle this, so... Oh no, oh no! Yeah, it doesn't like this. Oh, it's gone. The fuel tanks have all gone. Okay. That was just a test run. We'll call that a simulation. And I'm gonna just strap some struts onto this thing, I guess. Like some there, and just for safety. Okay, I guess we're doing it like this then. For safety, just to make sure it doesn't wiggle too much. That should hold it steady. Is it going to load? Yes, it's loading. That's the sound of loading. Are we gonna wobble? Nope, looks stable. Yep, when in doubt, more struts. What's the weight ratio of this? Yeah, I didn't think about that very much. One thing I'm also not thinking about is a gravity turn. I might need to put on some more powerful engines. Yeah, hang on. Because if it's going to, it has to carry itself and something else. It's gonna need more engines. More engines or more powerful engines. Like either something. Let's see what else we have here. Hang on. Just go all out. What was the last one? Not quite good enough, was it? That's less delta V, but the thrust to rate ratio is a whole lot better. What else do we have here? That's a solid fuel booster. That is a fucking enormous solid fuel booster. So this would work, but it's the efficiency. Hang on. I think that thrust to rate ratio is pretty good. If I were to just, like, do that, just strap two more to the side, the delta V barely went up, so I'm pretty sure 2,860 meters per second at delta V, and it's going to be a bit more than that, or a bit less than that, but I think that will be enough to, like, just drag something from moon orbit down to the surface and then put itself back up into orbit, and then we refuel it and just do it again. I think this will work. Think being the the word. That is enough thrust to rate ratio now, though. Let's just cross our fingers that I don't have to scrap this and make something else. All that really matters is getting this thing into lunar orbit at the moment. Then we'll test it. By also sending up a science lab behind it. Beep. Okay, we are going up. We are going up very quickly. I'm gonna start turning gently. We're actually getting re-entry effects on the way up to space, which well, that decoupling went well. Well, there you go. Things went kaboom. Right, let me try that again. Yeah, we're just going to pretend that that one didn't happen. Exactly. Gonna decouple the other two engines before we turn then. Now we'll turn. Calm down in there, Jeb. You don't need to shout to mission control, damn it. Well, we were going quite fast then. Yeah, we can just get an orbit from here, can't we? It'll be quite a burn, but it'll work. Oh god, hang on. Wait on the apparatus. 101. Nah, close enough. Right, so we want to start the burn at, what is it? What do we have? 76 divided by 2. That's 38, yes, I think. Away! Okay, we are getting into orbit. That is a good sign. And there. Oh, the inclination might be a little off. That's fine, we can fix it. One quick 7-second burn. That will fix it. Around Kerbal we go. Okay, let's just make sure we're pointing directly in the right direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now. Good enough. Oh, we are going to have to use a bit of the space tug's fuel to get there, but oh well. That's fine. I can refuel it once we get to the moon. T-minus 20. 20. So it takes about 800 meters per second delta V to get from Kerbal to the moon. But then you have to slow down, of course. It should be okay though. Okay, away we go. Or, hang on. No, we're going to crash into the moon. Hang on a moment, let me turn around. That's better. Okay. I want to get to Def Jam 13. For refuel. Separation about 20 kilometers. Can we get closer though? Oh. Yeah, the inclination's off, isn't it? Might be able to get closer though. Yep, 2.2 kilometers. That's definitely closer. This thing does like to rotate a little. And fire. Oh well, that didn't go entirely according to plan, did it? Well, I can fix it. Okay, maybe I can't. No, I can. Hang on. I can get this one to be in the right place. A tiny, tiny burn. There, that'll do. Alright, then we just need to catch up with the station. Which are already going about the same speed as. So let me point this way, fire the engine. Okay, where is our target? Where is it? There it is. Okay, point. I can't actually tell which way the ship is pointing. There we go, point that way. Oh god, that. Yeah, hang on. Point directly at it. There we go. Right, turn around. Like, most of the fuel was used just getting here. So yeah, this thing should work pretty well as a lifter of sorts, and the station's loading in every time. Okay. Oh, no, other way. Point at the target. Fire the engine just a bit. Prepare RCS thrusters. I have to dock backwards, I've just realised. Effectively. We want it on the locked camera, don't we? Why do I keep building ships, like, in this orientation? Like, for fuck's sake. Let's make sure we don't actually hit the station. Oh no, my sound died. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Prepare for the ping. I don't know if you can... No, actually you're not going to be able to hear anything because I paused the fucking game. But you probably will hear this. And I don't know if you can hear my doggo having a bit of a woof. I can definitely hear him. Oh. Oh, no, not map. Oh god, I have to do this, like, in reverse, which is gonna be confusing. That was getting annoying. Anyway. Like, I just have to keep thinking as if the controls are reversed. But I think I've got this. Let's just point it. Let's orient the damn thing right. There we go. And down a bit. And backwards a bit more. And contact. Whoa there! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Turn off the SAS. It's trying to SAS from two different places. Refilling this is going to be a bit of a pain, isn't it? Why did I press shift? Hang on. Let's just turn those off before I deorbit the station accidentally. Alright, Alt, right click. Let's fill her up. Can't remember what tanks I actually put fuel into, but I guess I'll figure it out. I do have a habit of doing that, just almost fucking things up. Quite a lot. I need to get a handle on that, don't I? Anyway, we've basically pulled over for petrol right now. That wasn't exactly what I wanted that to do. Hang on. Let's make sure we just get every tank full. I'm sure there's a way just to say, hey, get everything from all of this over here. Maybe there is, but I don't know what it is. Still, we get to listen to the nice soundtrack of this game while we just fuel up. Just refill the space tug. Isn't it lovely? This one? Yes. Oh, bork, bork, bork. Okay, just these two now. So need the centre of mass to be like, well, in the centre, otherwise it will just not really fly properly. Right, let's make sure that we are all good. I missed one. Yep, plenty of fuel to refill. Okay, yep, that's all good. Now we need to bring the first part of the base, which I've decided will go in that crater, I think, is the one. Yes, it's got the canyon next to it. It will be that crater, because that crater has ore. And we need ore. Alright, back to the Space Center. Alright, time for some new maneuvers. Well, I say new maneuvers, it's landing, but also, like, taking off immediately afterwards. Alright, so can I... The thing is though, it would be ideal if I could get some refueling. Like, I can like mine the moon for fuel, effectively. I don't know if I will have the tech to do that, and I don't know if the tech is anywhere near, but if it is, I'm going to check. It's probably, like, over here somewhere, isn't it? Fuel container, fuel tanks, where is it? There's like a mining drill here somewhere. It's definitely not going to be in hydroponics. Does anything look like a drill here that I'm not seeing? Thrusters, fusion, AI, probes, further up, maybe? Orbital assembly, that will come in handy later. It's got to be here somewhere, surely. Am I just blind? That's nuclear propulsion. Can't be too far along. Maybe I already got it, I don't know. Life support, space exploration, that gives nothing. Advanced exploration, that gives nothing. Those are centrifuges. I already checked logistics. Short term. That's a smelter. Oh, these are drills. Well, this can mine just about everything. But that's a fair bit away at the moment, isn't it? We'll set up the science lab first. Oh god, I am actually running out of money as well. Hang on. Plant flag on moon. That will give me something. Alright, vehicle assembly building. Okay, so it's going to need solar power. It's going to need cargo bay. And some science experiments in the cargo bay, but other than that, nothing else. Still got this here, hang on. Hang on, it might not actually be that. We definitely need this. Yeah, it's not going to be that. That's a bit... Can I make that bigger? No. Okay. They aren't getting out of the top. The top needs, where is it? One of these. And on top of it, one of... Not those. One of... I think that will probably be the best one. Okay, it also needs power and a cargo bay. Service bay. Whatever you want to call it, bay. Does it necessarily need it where that is? I'm gonna do it this way around. Then can we get a ladder? I have absolutely no idea where ladders are in this, but look for it. If you were ladders utility, there it is. No, just let me select the ladder. Okay. So we need scientists, and we also actually need science. That would probably help a little. And some kind of power source would also probably be quite handy. Wait, hang on. That's better. Alright, we need... Device that separates vapor components chemically via gas feeds the result into a mass spectrometer which measures the molecular weight of each chemical. As a result, it can separate, identify, quantify a large number of different chemicals and use to analyze the constituents of planetary atmospheres. And that's for planetary oceans. Neither of those are going to be of use. Where is it? This. Is that all of the things? I think I'm missing something. Something that can actually be used on the moon. Maybe not. Yeah, probably not. Okay, and more power. This won't obscure anything if I put it up there. Oh, what the heck? Oh. 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 Huh. I did not know that actually had doors that you could open. You could like put batteries in here. Just like that. That's kind of cool. Anyway. Close the doors. No, come on. There we go. Does of course need something to actually support it. Where are the landing legs? There we go. Don't know why it's asking me to do all these. What's that? Rotate? No, we don't want to do that. What other options do we have here? Underside landing legs. That's going to require some very precise flying, to say the least. I'm not too confident in myself to do that. Or we could just use this good old thing. Maybe put it a bit higher up. I actually like the look of these ones, to be honest. Yeah, we'll use these ones. For God's sake, make sure they all start retracted. Okay. So it'll be moon science lab. Okay. I'll save it there and then we'll add a launcher. That's enough delta V, I think. Still, we just need to get it to moon orbit. That's it. Oh, communication. That would have been really dumb if I forgot that. that'll do. I don't think that'll move the centre of mass too much. Not really. Yeah, it should be okay. Alright then, let's get the crew. We only need one pilot. And I'd rather keep the experienced one actually doing something useful. Get the 2 scientists in there though. Go to the astronaut complex, let's hire somebody. Just a pilot. You'll do. Okay. Fingers crossed. The first part of our base is going up. And hopefully this is not going to end badly. Before I do anything, let's just see if these landing legs actually deploy when I press G. They do not. Most interesting. Oh, we can do that in orbit. Moon orbit. Okay. Let's go. After this I might have to do one of the other missions so that we actually don't lose money. Anyway, going up. Oh, that's the glow of the sunrise, I think, or set, I'm not sure. Anyway, let the gravity turning begin. Come on, stay there. How's that orbit looking? Higher. Right, that will do. Now the rotation begins. Prepare to burn. To get into orbit. 5, 3, ready now. Stay on target. Alright. Deploy science lab first. Then we get science. Then we figure out how to refine fuel at the moon. Or alternatively, I do one of the missions to Minmus because we actually have quite a few contracts to go to Minmus. I want to at least start setting up the base though. Oh no, that's not quite right. That is. Okay, 21.5 seconds is when we're burning. What is that? Is that a bit of debris? I'm guessing that's a bit of debris. Well, it's gone now, so oh well. 4, 3, 2, and now. Three, 2, 1. Oh. A little bit further, a little bit further, a little bit further. That periapsis right the way down. That'll do. Oh, my inclination is quite bad. Good thing we still have a lot of fuel left. Every time I see Death Trap 13. Oh well. Yep, stop time warping. Turn her around. Still got tons of Delta V. Okay, so for starters, we need to get into the right inclination. Other way. I just need to get close enough. I don't actually need to dock. Yeah, that'll do. Right, pointer in the right direction. Got enough Delta V to do this quite quite a few times actually. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, now ish. Close enough. Okay, and now the station effectively catches up with me this time. Wait, no, yeah, I was going the right way in the first place. Turn it around. Plenty of electric charge. Okay, now we point at the target. We just need to get close enough to it with the fuel that we have. We don't waste too much of the tug's fuel. If we can just point this upwards, that would be ideal. Okay, point it the other direction. Lots of back and forth and back and forth and back and forth going on. Flip her back around. Don't know where the target is. Ah, there it is. Flip it around again. Just park nearby. And then move the tug into position. It's loading in. Everything froze, so it's loading in. Don't crash, please. Oh, I can see the station slowly appearing. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Hang on, I'm still going a little too fast. Okay, that's pretty much perfect. Oh. Where am I? Okay, so we want to go over here. Then we want to undock. Take control. Engage RCS. Wait, hang on. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Are we prepared for the first test of my capabilities? To not mess this up? Probably use the fuel left in the rocket to deorbit the thing. I forgot to open it. Hang on. Open the shield. There we go. Okay. Are we still unlocked? Yes, we are. Nice and careful. Oh, hang on. Once again, have to do this in reverse, sort of. This is going to need refueled on monopropellant as well, isn't it? And dock. Excellent. Oh god, the camera is having issues. Okay. Hold on. Control from here. Alright, now let's do orbit. Where's that crater? There it is. Okay. So ideally we want to set up somewhere near the canyon as well. If I can get a rover in there, we can get even more science. Oh, this is going to be a bit wobbly. It's going to wobble a bit. I like how we've got the station just with us, also orbiting. Anyway, T-7. Hopefully this isn't going to shake too badly. No, we're actually quite stable. Oop. Wobble wobble. Okay. Here we go. The first part of the station. Going down. We need to turn. Bit of a wobbly turn, but a turn. if I can adjust this just a bit. Hang on. Come on. I want to get a bit closer. I want to end up basically there-ish. Five, 4, 3. Okay, that will do. Okay, now we need to point this direction again. And get ready to slow down. I could just decouple this now, actually. Extend stabilizers. Activate engines. Prepare to slow the hell down. Alright, let's hope this goes well, because we're going in. Along with the fuel tank. Which is probably going to crash into the side of the crater. But that's fine with me. Just going to wait until the last possible second to burn. Oh god, okay, hang on. Good thing I tested that when I did. Oh, this is not particularly stable. It's a little bit wobbly, it has to be said. If I'm very, very gentle, I can extend these. No, actually, hang on. Take it down very gently. This place looks relatively flat. Correction. No, it does not. Oh shit. Can we... Hang on, readjust course. Just float for a bit. Just float along. I think I'm away from the hill now. God, this is wibbly wobbly. Okay, if we can just quickly extend. If I do it very, very lightly. Woo! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Retract. Burn! Okay, well, I loaded... Well, I made a quick save. Just because I knew I was going to fuck something up. Okay, so that it can't be... Couldn't have been... Okay, we're fine. It's fine. Nothing went badly wrong. See? Everything is fine. Okay, well now that I know that that bit's actually hilly and not flat, I could just drop it right beneath me. Instead. Or we could try and get in there. That would also work. Oh yep. Retract. Just retract all of them, or just put it down as gently as we can. Okay, so we actually want to go... Where do we want to go? I really should have checked what was here before I decided to land. But, we're improvising now. Okay, if we just fire in that direction. Oh god, oh god. Get control back, please. Okay. Doing a little bit of a dance. Have I still got my target set on the station? Okay, oh, we're going down. Like it or not, we're going in. This is just gonna have to work. Yeah, I can undock there. That's the idea. Gently bring it down. Very gently. It's on a bit of an incline, but oh well. It would have worked a bit better over there, but I guess I could move it. Oh yeah, hang on. Okay, sorry. I keep getting a bit scared. Let's just hop along a bit. Panic, panic, panic. This is not going entirely according to plan. Okay, hang on. Fucking hell. Gotta be so gentle. Like, I've got to be absurdly gentle here. And maybe just press the undock button when we're like right above the surface. And just hope. Go at like a meter per second or something. Oh, well, shit. It fell over. Marvellous. Hold on a minute. Still have the quick save, but I want to make sure this isn't going to fall over. Just in case. I might be able to get it to right itself. Let's just see. Real quick. Three, 2, 1. Okay. Maybe I can write it. I don't know. If I can't, I will load the quick save and try again. Brilliant. Well, I can roll it. If I can use these. In any way. Oh, this is silly. Oh, wait, hang on. I've got an idea. Extend that one. Nope, we just got a sideways base right now. Okay, what does rotating it do? Well, this is kind of silly. I think that roughly translates into this is fucked. Yeah, this isn't writing itself, hang on. Ugh. I need to deploy it with the landing legs down, don't I? Which is going to be close to impossible. Because of the way I've built this. Like the idiot I am. Right, round 3. Round 4. I don't know how long I'm going to spend trying to get this right, but it's going to be a while. Not going to lie. Let's just go straight down. Probably be a better landing spot. Okay, straight down we go. And time warp, because I am crazy. What little engine power would I actually need to give this in order to both maintain speed and holding the stabilizers from about that, I guess. Gently bring it down. Nice, and gently bring it down as it wiggles about. Okay, can I extend these? Both of them. And not have issues? Oh no, we're having issues. We're having issues. We're having issues. We're having issues! Commence the pants holding! Never mind. Oh god, I'm gonna get this right. I swear. Okay, I've got a crazy idea. It might be considered absolute madness, but it might work. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, fire the engines. Full power. just pretend that I didn't use time warp there. Oh god. He's telling me this is flat enough. I will take it if it's flat enough. This is on a hill, isn't it? Yes, it is. Let's go over here a bit. I really don't want to be landing on a hill, ideally. Land here. That's much less hilly. Also, just so I don't have to do that in suborbital trajectory docking maneuver again. Let's just quick save. Save scum, because I've not really done this before. I still don't think we're quite in the flat part of the land, to be honest. No, actually we are. This is good enough. Oh god, I just barely saved that. Oh, for fuck's sake. The exhaust from the engine just pushed it over. Oh, for crying out loud. That was so close. Alright, hang on. Hang on. Okay. Gotta think fast, gotta think fast. Control from here. There we go. This time we're gonna get it right. I swear. Yeah, this is good enough. This is a good enough spot. I wonder if I can land the entire thing and have it not collapse under the weight. Let's just try that. Nice and careful. Very, very gently. Drop it down to the surface. The wobbliness is not filling me with much confidence here. It's down. Please don't tip. Please don't tip. Okay. Gently pull away. Okay. Let's get into orbit. I think I did it. Well, that was hard to pull off, but it eventually worked. Okay. Let me switch to this. Plant the flag. I'll forever speak this place as Munich. I love that. That idea is just great. Yes, it's actually down. And it isn't in 3 different pieces. Do. Okay, plant the flag. Munich. There we go. There you go, Blue. Finally got it. Only took several attempts. Now if you could just grab one of those, and one of these, and grab this, and get in. Get the science data. That was not what I was going for, but okay. I think I missed one. Yes, I did. Okay. Okay. Eight science per day from landing down here. Oh god, that was a palaver. That was quite a palaver, but at least we have a base down here now. Small base that is going to need to have a few things added to it to expand, but it's here. We're not connected because I don't think the space station is overhead, but oh well. Okay. Oh, yeah, one thing. I need to rename it. Make sure it's actually saying it's base. Or science. Science. Okay. Why isn't my map key working? Well, that's not a good sign, is it? Hmm. So we want this. Fly. Give me the map. Oh, please give me the map. Oh god. Yeah. I am getting a little tired. Has to be said. Map. 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 Why do you refuse to map? It just does not want to do it. I can't get to the map view. M. Alright, hang on. Straight all the way back to the space center. Let me try flying something else. As soon as it loads. Try flying the station first. Can we see the map now, please? No, we can't. Ah, for fuck's sake. Why do you refuse, game? Just let me map. Come on. No, it something's broken. I have to click this because the key just won't work. Okay, fine. We'll do it this way. That's fine. That was an extreme zoom. Anyway. What? What? Nothing about this is right. When I untoggle the map, this is all I get. The moon just vanishes. Wait, hang on. I can see I see something up there. What is going on? I think I've broken something. I'm not going to be able to do the docking if I can't see. What have I done? Does it still happen if I go to a different vessel? Okay, well we can see the station. Oh, yep, does the same thing. Something is broken. I have no... What the hell's happened? Wait, hang on. Let me try going back to the main menu. Maybe that will work. If that doesn't work, then I'm just gonna call it. Because I would have to restart the entire fucking game and that takes a while. And I'm tired. Quite tired today. Or is it just going to crash trying to get to the main menu? I think something's broken. Something has broken. And I'm not sure what. Getting one weird glitch and now I can't even get back to the main menu. Okay, you know what? Oh no, we're good. Are we good? Are we good? Please say we're good. Oh. Oh. And it crashed. Great. Something went wrong and it crashed. Right then. Alright, you know what? With that, since it will take a while to load back up again anyway, I'm going to end the stream for today. Because... what the hell happened anyway? Let me just... give me a second. Okay. Yeah, thank you everybody for coming along though. It's been a... that was fun. Right up until the game just suddenly decided to stop working. And until whenever else, I will wish you all a good night for today.